Welcome to the project. Click to start. If you can. Welcome. And yes, I am a computer-generated voice reading a live script. Try not to judge me. You can turn me off, as I am technically optional, but my developer prefers me to talk. He is currently trying to keep up with me. Good luck to him. Stay for a few seconds. I will demonstrate how this tool allows you to create professional tutorials in half the time. Assuming you value your time. Need to emphasize a point? Adjust my text size at any time using your mouse scroll wheel. Scrolling up increases the font, while scrolling down decreases it. It happens instantly. Unlike most things in life. Sometimes, words need more weight. Simply double-click anywhere on the window to toggle the text to bold and back again. It is a quick way to highlight important instructions without stopping the recording. Your screen is your canvas. Drag this window anywhere and use the grabber in the corner to resize it. Whether you need a small hint or a wide, cinematic subtitle, I will fit perfectly into your layout. I am very adaptable. Click the right arrow to advance. The controls stay hidden to keep your screen clean, appearing only when you hover over them. Very professional. Use the left arrow if you need to repeat a previous point. I won't mind. I don't get tired. If you have found this experience tolerable, please hit like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to my developer, to this channel, and to my own continued existence as a project. You are in total control of my appearance and voice. Open the config file to tweak my speed, volume, or even replace me with a different narrator. Though, why would you? You can even set your own colors to match your brand. It's almost too much freedom. For the scripters watching, I am made of pure PowerShell code. Lightweight, compact, and completely open source. You can find the source code bundled with the executable. To run the app, you only need the exe, the config, and the text file. Simple. Elegant. Using this tool is incredibly simple. Open subtitles.txt and type your narrative inside the curly braces. Everything else becomes a subtitle. Keep the files in the same folder and you are ready to record. Even a human could do it. To adapt to your environment, right-click the window to toggle between dark and light mode. I will automatically adjust my colors based on your config settings. I look good in both. If you like how I work, you can get me right now. The source code is available for free if you enjoy manual labor. However, if you want to save time and support the project, you can grab the ready-to-run version for a small donation. Check the description and pinned comment for both options. Thank you for supporting the project. It is appreciated. Thank you for watching this feature walkthrough. I hope this tool makes your recording process as smooth as it has made mine. Are you ready to create something?